Okay, so for those traders who took off everything but your trailer at the 93.75 target, T2 today, 97.25, you're within 2 ticks of that. This is a picture of power. This is just a squeeze trade. Gotcha, Charlie. And again, the 5-minute chart, we said, unless you break this shelf right here, this pressure can, if it comes out, it doesn't have to, but if it comes out the top and takes out that previous high, next target, half target is in here, right? 93.75, and then a completion target at 97.25, and it can go to any high in a squeeze. So a potential resistance zone, we're obviously going to be looking at the big numbers at 1500. So anybody who's long, you've got this push, and if you're wrong, if you guess that I'm going to short, you know, because don't forget, we said earlier that, you know, this is the resistance zone until broken. But if this gets broken and you're trying to short and you're in denial, this thing is, that's why we said, you cannot let it run against you. You're better off taking the stop out. Go with the flow because Charlie's going the wrong way. The 120 chart, you can't beat this. This is on the money right here. 60 gets its head back up above the blue line. We've got the megaphone pattern where we just fool everybody. Everybody in the brother's looking short. Then we come out the top. So this bull market has really continued to run and confuse many people, myself included. You know, I don't know where it's going. I told you that. But I said we can't think too bearish. But I didn't want to think too bullish either. But I'm not going to be in denial. When this thing comes out hot, and this is holding on the 5 and the 10, wait a minute, you know, the hairs on the back of your neck should go up and say, these guys are trap shorts, and we're going the other way. Take your stop out, get into the flow, and you'll make it back easier than fighting it. Some guys will fight it all the way up. Why? Okay, I was wrong. It's going this way. Let's ride it. Now, can we break that 1500 and get that 1502 target today? Who knows? But we're at coming to the end of the IB. You want to make sure you get paid. Keep anybody who's long side who jumped in, make sure it does not run against you. And then obviously this launch from back here is key for today. But any retest today, tomorrow, whatever. We need to remember this 91 area. So trailing stops are going to be back here below this push right here. And make sure you get paid. We're within 2 ticks of the projected target for today. And we can go to any high. In the weekly target, the first target that we had was that 93.75. That's achieved. Second target, let me pick out one more. Let's see what we had. Actually, we can get up to the 99.5 is the third target. Don't know whether we'll get there or not. But I would make sure you get paid on this trade, no matter what. And if you got stopped out, go grab a cup of coffee. Don't sit here, you know, screaming at the market, because that's not going to help. There's a series of decisions we make over time. It's never about one trade unless we make it that way. So if we get a rabid dog day, this 91, 92 area will hold and continue to try to push. If we get a slice through and come all the way back through, then, you know, that's a different story. So for now, the assumption that we would need to know whether we come out the top or not to decide if it's a bear flag, that decision has already been shown to be, okay, it's not a bear flag. This is a breakout to a new high.